Hello, my name is John Hayes and I'm Managing Director of Prosolar. I'm here at the Kenmare Bay Hotel in Kenmare, County Kerry, where we've recently installed solar PV systems on 27 of their self-contained holiday homes.
As the homes are usually at maximum capacity during summer months, this coincided well with the times of optimum solar generation during the year. In addition, the customer will be able to sell their excess electricity generated in the summertime to the grid, allowing them to accrue a credit on their electricity bill for winter months. Our final design consisted of 6 solar panels mounted per slate roof. We selected the Jinko Solar 435 watt all black solar panels and paired this with microinverter systems. We calculate this installation will generate 2,100 units of electricity per year and will save almost 700 kilograms of CO2 from being emitted into the atmosphere each year per home. Our experienced in-house team worked on the application to secure over €45,000 in grant funding for the project, while our installation teams worked hard to complete the project within 7 weeks. Guests at the Kenmare Bay holiday homes can enjoy their stay, knowing that the energy that they are using is clean and reducing their impact on the environment.
If you are interested in a solar installation for your home, farm or business, go to our website at www.prosolar.ie or give us a call at 064 770 2000.